Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Tab A8 and I'm gonna show you how to copy the contacts from the SIM card on this device. First, we need to open the Contacts application on our device. To do it, simply find the Contacts application icon and tap on it to open the app. It looks like this. You can tap on it right here, or you can open the app menu, tap on Samsung folder, and it's right here, Contacts. Okay. Once you open the application, you should see this screen. Now tap on the menu icon in the top left corner to open the menu. Here tap on Manage Contacts. Select Import or Export Contacts. Then tap on the Import button. Select the SIM card right here. And right here we have the list of contacts saved on the SIM card. And we can select the contacts we want to copy to our device by tapping on them like that, and we can check them or uncheck them. You can also tap on Select All right here to select them all. Okay, I'm gonna select only 2 of them, and once you're done selecting the contacts, tap on the Done button, and here we need to select where we want to copy these contacts to. So let's select the tablet and tap on Import, then tap on OK. Now we can go back to the contacts list, and here we have our contacts, as you can see. And that's how you copy the contacts from the SIM card on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.